It's so nice to finally meet you.
Guy looks like how big it is and how is the monthly payments. Looks like there is 2 units here. Cable, but it's a plug and play, so I guess we better read the instructions. I don't like instructions, but so this one comes from the vehicle. This one looks like it's going to the battery or solar.
Yeah.
And then this one, it's a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Oh. He's a subscriber too.
How are you?
Yep.
And a friend now.
Aw.
That
Subscriber turned friend.
Yeah.
Yes.
Michael.
Michael. I'm Deborah. You just got gifted.
No, not this.
The bus.
This is Loren's Ambo.
Oh,
I know,
My
right?
Ambo.
so cool.
Isn't it?
Like you see it on the videos, and then when you see it in real life, it's like.
Yeah.
So that's your YouTube channel, Loli's Off-Road and Overland.
Yes. I got you some. Gonna give you some stickers.
Yes. This is Chrome, right? This is his. It's so true, right?
No, I think it's Loren's.
That's
Miss
Loren?
Ronnie Parker. Yeah.
Oh, it's mine.
But the funny face guy is
That's
Loren.
Loren. Or,
So-
or Chrome.
So that's mine. This is me. And I got some new ones are coming out. I have a bear, a teddy bear sitting on the table, and my Ambo in the background.
Yeah.
And it's like, home is very parquet.
It's true. I forget what it was, but.
These metal pieces.
Oh, that's cute.
Right?
So cute.
I could not stop it. I said, yes, I have to have this one. I have to put it up. Yeah, it's a, so if if you follow the channel, you
Yeah.
know the history behind it. You know, like it's a little bit a sad story, right? Because
Is that the woman who passed?
yeah,
Yeah.
So Kathy Newfield, it was her name anyway. I'm
Yeah.
still in touch with the family.
That was really heartbreaking.
But she's like, oh Loren, like here, I want to give you this. And I said, I don't need a bus. I said, I have whatever I need, like.
Yeah.
She's like, but you can do something with it, like. This is my way of helping your channel, she said. Right?
Aw.
So I said, her legacy is gonna stay on. I mean,
Yeah.
like, we just put new tires on
Wow.
it and all this, and she's gonna
It's literally
Do
a
the-
tiny home, hey?
Yeah, I mean, this will be like, yeah, absolutely. So Patty decided that, she's gonna have the bed here, and this is kind of the garage underneath,
Oh, yeah.
and that's her bed, and then the rest, she can tell you inside.
I'm gonna put a mural on the outside for Kathy.
Aw.
She lived in Alaska for quite a while apparently, and she
Yeah,
loved it.
well,
Yeah.
she
So I'm
grew up
gonna
in
do a
Alaska.
mural of Alaska for her and dedicate it to her.
Sweet. Aw, that is so sweet.
Yeah, so we did the brakes and all that, mechanically it's all done. That's just like my Amber.
Yeah.
You know, you can go anywhere, you can park it anywhere, and you can, you know, wherever you want to stop, you know.
Yeah. Well, that's fun. Anyways, I'm gonna go back and see what
Well, you have fun.
Loren's up to. Yeah, and it was so great to meet you.
too,
Take
Deborah.
care. How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah.
So we have to decide. Maybe we're gonna take those little buckets out from there so I can drill the hole
Yes.
and try to pull the cable in.
You mean the batteries?
Well, yeah, whatever is here, because I need to have access
Oh, I see the food. Yeah.
to get somewhere down there, because I want to make sure wherever I'm gonna drill the hole, there is nothing that it's gonna be on the way, any cables or any wiring harness or anything like that.
Okay.
I have to look either that side or the other side. Could be the driver's side. Do you have a preference which way should come through, or did you see somebody? Did you watch any videos?
Yeah,
of this?
I watched people put it through. I guess there's a firewall by the driver's side.
Okay.
So most, and there's
Okay.
apparently some kind of a little divot or rivet or.
Okay.
But I mean, I could do either one. Whatever's going to be easier.
Oh, I see. Hold on. I see. I got it.
You did?
Yeah.
Wow.
There is wire grommet,
Yes, grommet.
like a grommet in there, like this big.
Okay.
Yeah. So I find it there. So I'm gonna look here. Let me bring something. So
I'll bring the mat out.
over there. Wow. That's amazing. I'm surprised. I'm really surprised.
At what?
How easy that was.
See, some YouTubers were right. But still not 15 minutes.
You're a monster. You're the Ford monster. And look what we are doing, you guys. We're doing some electrical. So I'm not sure if any of you are using this Ecoflow DC to DC charger, like goes from the battery to your in cap, and it comes really nice. Everything is just a plug and play. I'm gonna show you once it's installed. This is the one. It's not sponsored. I'm just helping Deborah. So she bought this unit because it was on sale, and obviously other people are using it, and she said, well, it gives her what, 800
800 watts while I'm driving.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, like, just imagine that 2-hour driving and you're
Yeah, as opposed to the 100 when I get, right?
absolutely. So
So,
that's pretty good. Right? Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. So I might need to drill this one out, yes. Because it's not gonna fit on there. This one is good, okay. So we get a drill bit, and we are gonna make the body. There we are.
thanks, Loren.
And guys, don't get too pencil in it, you know, like, okay, I'm giving her a hug, okay? It's
Yeah, yeah.
permitted, right?
And it's going, juicing right up so fast. Thank you, Loren.
So Loren saved the day.
Yes, Loren's, no, Lowly's Off-Road and Overland. Amazing guy, check him out. Thanks again.
Thank you very much,
Peace.
and I'm glad that I was able to help you.
Yes.
And it worked out good, so enjoy. And I'll see you sometimes.
here
Who
I go.
knows?
Yes.
Maybe on the road.
Yes, I'll definitely
never
say
know.
hi. Awesome guy. Thanks, Loren.